CICEL CICEL Technology Development Company Limited is located in Nantong City, Jiangsu Province. Relying on the coordinated layout of the parent and subsidiary companies, it focuses on the expansion of overseas markets. Jiangsu CICEL Vacuum Technology Company Limited is dedicated to domestic market operation and large-scale equipment production, forming a business pattern of integrated production and sales. Internal and external linkage. CICEL is equipped with advanced production equipment such as helium mass spectrometry vacuum leak detectors, gantry machining centers, CNC machining centers, and laser cutting machining centers. Our 20,000 square meters standardized factory serves as a solid guarantee for large-scale production. Technological R&D and innovation are our company's core competitiveness. CICEL has assembled a professional team of 100 people, including 20 R&D engineers deeply engaged in technological innovation. CICEL established multiple R&D laboratories and obtaining numerous national invention patents in core technology areas. As a seasoned supplier with 10 years of experience in overseas markets, our products are sold in Europe, the Middle East, South America, Southeast Asia, and other regions, providing high-quality, highly reliable vacuum coating technology solutions to customers in more than 50 countries worldwide. Thanks to our outstanding product innovation capabilities and comprehensive after-sales service system, our core products, including PVD vacuum coating equipment and UV painting equipment, have all obtained EUCE certification. We also provide comprehensive technical training and after-sales service. As an industry-leading company, CICEL will continue to dedicate itself to vacuum coating expertise, providing customers with highly reliable coating solutions.